Hello everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today I'm making this video about questions I get from a lot of my audience, and that's about how to make more money as an automotive technician. So one of the reasons why I see people not making great money in this field is not because of the industry itself, it's because of the individuals themselves. They're not filling their whole day from start to finish of constant working. They're taking breaks, they're relaxing, they're leaving. So here it is at 5 o'clock right now. My shop's completely empty. I'm the only one left in the shop. And it's a common thing. You see the guys pack up and leave. They're already packing up at 4:15, 4:20. They're already starting to shut down. They're already in go home mode. And I work all the way to the end of the day, and that gives me that little bit of edge, and I make just a little bit more money every single day than the guy in the bay next to me. And I do it repetitively over and over and over. And then I do other things like just try to keep my work flowing through the whole day. I try to keep my water cooler talk to a minimum. So what I'm saying is a lot of this is all up to you guys. You guys are in control of your day. So my tip for you guys is as soon as you get there, be dead on focus about your day. Keep that water cooler talk to a minimum. Keep that Facebook time and the cell phone time, all that stuff to a minimum, and focus just on your job. And if you're slow, then you switch your focus from the job that you're doing to making your tools organized, or either studying for a skill that you're a week in and strengthening your skill that way. That way you're constantly growing yourself and growing your skills, and then keeping your tools and everything organized. And if you keep the tools organized, your skills up, cut out the water cooler talk, and you repetitively do this over and over, you'll definitely increase your pay. Let me tell you, this takes work. It's not something that just comes easy. It's something you even have to talk to yourself. I have to talk to myself all the time, saying, like, I catch myself, hanging out, like, hey man, this is not a good idea. It's not accomplishing my goals of making a certain amount of money that I want to make, or that toolbox that I want that costs, $15,000. I'm not going to make it by sitting over there at the water cooler. I have to constantly be doing something or constantly improving myself. That way I can achieve those goals. And that's what I want for you guys too. Just dig deep. Cut the water cooler talk out, or keep it to a very minimum, or save it until after hours. So my other tip for you guys is what you do after you're done with the workday. Spend an extra couple hours a day or a half hour a day, studying or preparing, or like say if you got a check engine light on your on a car that came in at 5 o'clock, go ahead and pull that code. Go ahead and look up the criteria for that code, and then when you come in the morning, you're already off and running. You already have a head start on the guy next to you, because you've already put in a little extra work on the after hours. So that's a tip for you guys. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this, and I'd like to thank you guys again for watching.